Scene 1, take 1, but this one is with sound. So it's number 2 for the camera. And I'm going to mark it.
So, are you aware that if you succeed in this interview, that you will be stepping into a long-term committed role in a relationship? 110% effort at all times, right? Okay, let's begin. Fantastic. So, tell me a bit about yourself, sir. Ah, I see. Okay, so it says here that you've been quite experienced in the field of LDR. Can you explain to me what that is? Ah, okay. Long distance relationships. Okay. So do you explain yourself about your experience? Really? That's interesting. Okay. Oh, that's a little rough, isn't it? Yeah, I see. So, yeah, it also says here that you're also self-employed at Tinder. How's that going for you? Oh, that's good for you. Okay. So, sorry, can you repeat that? It's just that we really need that kind of information, yeah. So, right, I think we're done, yeah.
2 with the mic at double distance, marking it.
Okay, so you are aware that if you succeed in this interview, that you'll be stepping into a long-term committed role in a relationship. 110% effort at all times, correct? Yep, let's begin. Fantastic. So, tell me about yourself, sir. Okay. Oh, really? Okay, so it says here that you've been quite experienced in the field of LDR. Can you explain to me what that is, what that stands for? Okay, long distance relationships. Okay, so do you explain yourself with that kind of experience? Okay, that's okay. A little rough, isn't it? Okay. So it also says here that you're also self-employed at Tinder. So how's that going for you? Pretty well. I'm impressed. Oh, I see. And if that person can't decide? Alexa, as in the smart home device, right? You must be you must have a lot of money to be able to afford that, right? Okay, I think we have all we need, thank you.
Alright, scene 2, take 1. So, McLovin, it says here that you've been quite experienced in the field of LDR. Could you explain that a little bit? Long distance relationship. Yeah, they're never reliable, that's for sure. Well, do explain yourself. Oh, so you're usually given a 2-week notice before being terminated. Interesting. That's a little rough, isn't it? Okay. Okay. It says here that you're self-employed at Tinder. How is that going for you? And if she can't decide? Okay. Scene 2, take 2. Rolling?
Yeah.
Right, scene 2, take 2. Audio from a further distance. So, this interview will be conducted as such. McLovin, it says here that you are quite experienced in the field of LDR. Could you please explain that for me? Long distance relationships. Yeah, they're never reliable, that's for sure. Well, do explain yourself. Given a 2-week notice typically before termination. It's understandable. It's a little rough, however, isn't it? Yeah. Okay. Well, okay. It says here you're also self-employed at Tinder. How is that going for you? Really? Okay. And if she can't decide? Right. McLovin, I think that's all I need to hear for today. Thank you very much. Right? Thank you. That'll do.